So for this screencast, I'll be showing how Kahoot can be used in a classroom as a polling tool. So on the left, you'll see that I have it from the teacher's view, and from the right, I have it for the student's view. So once you hit start, it'll prompt the students with a question from your screen, and then that will be viewable for the students to answer based on the shape that correlates with the response. So for this, it asks who is the current president of the United States, and that would be Donald Trump, so you would hit the blue diamond. After that, the teacher can see exactly how many students chose each response. So with just me playing it, I chose the right answer, and so that shows 100% of the students got this one, as well as giving the feedback to the students so they can see if they got it right or wrong. And so this is really good because if you see that a majority of the students got something wrong, then you might want to stop and review the question, or if you see the majority of the students got something right, then you can go ahead and move on knowing that they got it. The good thing is it presents immediate feedback not only for the teacher but for the students so they can see how they progress through the quiz or the bell work or whatever it may be so that they know how to improve or if they should stop and ask the teacher questions.